Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain SLT. The SLT is powered by a 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine mated up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, power windows, locks, and mirrors. You have your height adjustable trunk release, automatic heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio control, push-button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control. Your gear selector is the button system as well. Heated seats, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. Terrain select mode. You have all black interior with Bose audio and our leather heated seats in the front of the 2022 Terrain SLT. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the SLT Terrain. We have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with the Hankook all-season tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry. Coming to the front, you have Terrain on the front door and color matched mirror caps. At the front, we have a LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. We have the SLT grille with parking sensors and a camera system. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start. At the back of the SLT Terrain, LED brake lights, backup sensors, power tailgate, and as well as your Terrain all-wheel drive badging. Jumping into the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. That 60/40 allows you to fold them nice and quick, giving you access to the large trunk of the Terrain. Seats fold back up, locking into position. Over top, a light-colored headliner with LED lighting and a massive dual-panel sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.